Dry and sunny in the south, but cloudy and wet in the north, and that whole band of rain moves across the country as we head through the day. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 15.
Good morning to you. We have a reverse of fortunes for today's weather compared to yesterday. A weather front today moves in across the north, bringing rain, a drier start in the south. And then once that moves through, actually, the pressure sequence into the weekend keeps us largely dry. Weather fronts stay at bay until we start next week. So this is how it looks for today. Rain in the northwest. Yes, it is a little chilly first thing this morning, particularly across the southeast. A weather front moved through yesterday, introducing fresher conditions, and another one hot on its heels today, bringing rain in the north. It slips southwards, and then actually, this is the sequence as we head through the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, looking largely dry with weather fronts queuing up to move in on Monday. But this is how it looks for today. Divided weather, rain in the northwest, drier further south and east, and for all of us, a fair bit windier today. This is the latest satellite and radar. You can see rain, a lot of it, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This whole band of rain slowly slips southwards as we head through the day. But actually, central and eastern England, where we have the sunshine to greet us, it stays all day long. And here's where we have the best of our temperatures. So we're looking at around about 25, 26 degrees across eastern areas of England, slowly clouding over for the southwest of England, outbreaks of rain for West Wales and northern England. But northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland, something a little bit drier and brighter as we head through the afternoon. Temperature-wise here, maybe around about 18 or 19. This evening and overnight tonight, the whole band of rain moves southwards, so turning drier and fresher for many of us. And it is a good-looking start to our Friday. Friday, plenty of sunshine around and temperatures yet again, high teens or low 20s. But how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days into the weekend and on into next week? But let's take a look. First of all, across the north of the UK. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, looking at our temperatures compared to average. So this is where they should be, sitting a little above average and maybe just moderating a little into next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK as we head through the next 7 days. Rain today, it is heavy and most of us seeing it here, but turning drier for the end of the week and the weekend. And next week, with low pressure close by, it's a story of sunny spells and scattered showers. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, temperature-wise, it's been way above average, and it stays above average, but more comfortable for day and also for those night times where it's been very warm and humid. Today, there's the hit and miss outbreaks of rain moving in across northwestern areas, but then high pressure moves in. So percentage chance of rainfall much lower as we head through Friday and the weekend and on into next week as well. So the outlook is high pressure moving into the south with it dry and pleasantly warm. Good morning to you. Today we have more rain, this time across the north of the country. We've had a reverse of fortunes pretty much every day for the last few. So here's our weather front in the north. It slips southwards for the next 24 hours. And then as we head through Saturday and Sunday, you can see weather fronts stay largely at bay. So things don't look too well. I bring winning weather for some of us. It is actually a tale of two halves today. We have the weather front bringing rain for some and dry weather elsewhere. And this is the latest pressure sequence that shows the rain moving in across the northwest. And it's further south, it's dry. It's raining, all of us actually today, a fair bit windier than it's been of late. So this is how it looks right now. Rain for Scotland. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Now, yesterday we had rain across the south. Today we have rain in the north. That was the reverse of where we were yesterday. So this is the latest satellite and radar image. Rain pretty much from northern England northwards. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern England and Wales, cloudy, overcast with rain. That'll be heavy, particularly through these western hills. Further south, it is a dry, bright start, very different to the one we had yesterday morning. Now, as we head through the day, the rain slowly moves its way southwards, which means it clears from the west. So brighter skies for the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland by this afternoon. Southern Scotland, northern England, North Midlands and Wales, you stay cloudy and wet, but dry, sunny and warm across the south and east.